All right, the app that I chose this week is Storymaker. This is your um, URL if you go to Google and type in Storymaker, or if you go to www.abci.com, you come to this website right here. We're going to click on it. Storymaker is a simple authoring tool that allows students, parents, and teachers to create digital social stories to help students with developmental delays or autism learn important social interactions. Um, so here you have different grades. You have pre-K, kindergarten, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and up. So what we're going to do to show you kind of how this works, we're going to go to grade two. We'll go to numbers, and then we'll click on see each of the games have the numbers right here for the grades that would benefit the most. So we'll click on this one with it being second grade. Way click on play. It's called Clear Addition. So this is going to be some addition problems. You have your rules right here. So students are able to learn addition by finding the target number. So you have your target number is 9. So we're going to click on 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1, and that equals 9. So then uh, your tiles disappear and you go again. So we've got 2 plus 4 plus 1 is 7. Have your target number. So we'll go 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1. It disappears. So 10, just like that. Well, we're going to keep going from here. 4 and 4 is 8. We'll go 3 plus 2 plus 2. 5, 1 plus 3 plus 1. And then 6. And there you go. You cleared it. It'll tally up your score, show you the amount of points that you get, your stars right there, and you can click on the next round. So this can help students with autism, students who have trouble learning with simple addition sometimes. Um, so yeah, I fully recommend uh, Storymaker and the games that ABCI has on its website. Thank you.